Amsterdam calling, so pick up.
The video is going to return in a few seconds, but first I want to remind you that I give walking tours throughout the city of Amsterdam through my company, Amsterdam and You Walking Tours. Now, wintertime is still a great time to visit the city, so if you like my videos and you want to spend some time with me in the city, showing you around, then why not book one of my tours from my website at amsterdamandyu.com. reminder that I give walking tours through the city of Amsterdam. So if you're in town, want to take a tour with me, visit my website at amsterdamandyou.com. I'll leave the link in the video description below. Anyway, this is Damn Jerry for Amsterdam Calling. What? Hoping all of your days are lief, leuk en lekker. Tot de volgende keer.